you heard from Valentino, the inspection is very important. Not only the inspection, but also the records, you said. And that's right. And I suppose that a lot of you are the arborists. And have you ever installed any bracing or cabling system? Who of you did it? And it's easy to record or to keep the data about that for you. Maybe it's mass, maybe you have your own system, maybe not, I don't know. We will see. What I would like to say that the app and the web page I would like to show you is the intellectual output from this project, from the technical standards in tree work. So you are arborist, you are tree owner, you are whatever, who wants to take care about the trees, and you have a static problem on the tree. So you install it, or you will ask for the installation. So you have a responsibility. And that's what we would like to help you with the app. One possibility is to use the web page sdstrees.eu, which is like the same like the app I will show you later on. So it's already working. You can log in, you can register, and you can use it for free. And as you already know, there is a web page for European arboriculture standard. And one section which is talking about European cabling and bracing standard. You can see the information about the app we will be talking about now. And because it's the new app, we need your help, and maybe you will be happy to help us. It's the beta testing. At this moment, we have this application or this app for the iOS systems. So who has the iPhone here or iPad? How many people? Okay, great. So nearly half, maybe. So I can tell you, at this moment, you can ask for beta testing. So there is a form on the web page, and if you will use it, I will get the information and can send you the possibilities to test it. Of course, the Android will follow up. I think in following 2 weeks, it will be ready for you too. So if you use this form, write what operation system you are using, and then I will sort you and send you the information for Android too. Because I know that sometimes it's a little bit complicated to test something if you have no idea how it works. So after you will send me the information you would like to use the app, I will register you and send you, or Apple will send you this kind of email. You have to press this blue button, and then you will install the test flight application, and it will appear as DS3s, and you will install it. And that's all. Then you can use it, and I will show you how it works. What you will see is the login. Of course, you have to register. You can't use this app without the registration. After you register, you are able to go into this application and see just only a few tabs. So it's not complicated system. So map, CB systems, which is loading all your systems you are having under your account, and of course the information about you, about the section about which is necessary to use, all the partners of the technical standards project. So you will know all the info you need to know. And the support, if you have any problems with it, send it to this email and we will try to help you. And of course the disclaimer, because we are not responsible for your work. You are only using this app or this system to store your data. So one way how you can check the system is to go in the map, and you know where the trees are, or you already registered trees. So it's easy to just go into the field and try to find some trees. When you go a little bit deeper, you will see the trees. And then when you press on the tree, you will see a little bit more details about the tree, and you can press on the tree details and see more information about it. Of course, there are the dendrological data about the tree, also the photos. You or your colleagues or someone or your tree owner who can also tell you or give you the rights that you will take care about his trees or his cabling and bracing systems. You can take a new photo for it, and etc., etc. So it's easy, I think, to work with it. So this is like a quick summary, and on the CB systems, on the right corner, you will see if there are any CB systems informations. And when you press add the new one, because you are arborist and you add, I think you add a new one, you will choose the level of the cabling or bracing system. You define if is it static or dynamic. You will say which kind of model is it, and then what's the capacity, how many ropes are installed in this tree, who is the arborist, if you know it, if you don't know who is it. You can choose one of many arborists which are on the CzechTrees.com web page, or you can create a new one if your colleagues start to work with your trees. And, of course, at the date of installation, if you know it. If not, you can check that the date is estimated. And add some more notes. If you can add notes. That's important information too. And that's a record. Is it right, Valentino? And then, after several years, you said one per year. It's recommended to do the visual control. You can plan your checking or your when you plan to go into the field and try to check the systems again. So you will choose some area, some region, which is like in this case Brno, or no, we will choose Beroun, which is a very nice city. And we have to find some cabling. Yeah, there are 2 cabling systems on this field. So you have the opportunity to click on these 2 cabling systems, and when you press this arrow, you'll be leaded to the map, which is great because then you see the yellow color tree, and this will guide you through the field through these 2 cabling systems you decided to check. So I press the first one when I'm close to it, go to the tree details, look at the tree, look at the cabling system, what is it, take some photo, write the inspections that it was done by me right now, go back into the map, and voila, it's blue. So it means it's done, your work for this checking of this tree or this cabling system, it's finished. And then you press again the arrow, and the software or the system will guide you to the next cabling or the next tree which you decided to check. And the process is the same. Yes. And then I hope that you will enjoy it as I. So because it's working, it's easy to use it. And you can, as we said, use it for free. And if you find time to test it and help us to improve it, I will be very happy. So I think that, and I hope it's enough information for you, but we can also have one question.